Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, and on this Tiguan we're going to go over how you would replace your rear lift strut, a strut that holds up your hatch here. So if you raise it up and it falls down, then you'll need to replace them. It's always good to replace them both as the same as this has two. We'll replace them in pairs. So what you're going to do to replace these is we have a clip on the top and we have a clip on the bottom, and you'll need some way to support this up, because once you remove it, or you'll have it supported up or have a buddy hold it, because when you remove this it's not going to hold it up, it's going to come back down. So what you need to do is you'll take a screwdriver and right there in this clip we're just going to pop the clip out a little bit. We don't need to remove it completely. And then the clip will come undone. We do the same with the one on the top. And pull that off. And then when you get your new one, you take it. And all you've got to do when you've got the new one, make sure you're putting it on the same direction that the one came off. This one is the cylinders on the bottom and the shaft is on the top there. And so then you can just line it up and then you pull it toward there. And the same thing with the top one. You just press it until it locks into place, and that's it. The clip opens up as it goes on. And that's how you would replace your lift strut on your 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Like I said, you replace both in a pair.